What's up, guys? Wanted to give you a little update on our little Tacoma. Still need to paint the old hood, but I am super excited about this beautifulness here. So this opening was about 11 inches, and I found these Husky bins at Home Depot, and they just so happened to be like the exact right fit. So all of this is nice and organized now. I actually have like more space than I know what to do with. I still need to figure out like what goes where so I can label each bin. And then these ones I got from Home Depot as well. They're just Sterlite bins, and they fit perfectly. So when they're up here and you close the top, they don't move around even when I'm driving kind of crazy. So super excited to utilize this this winter on some service calls. Over here on the other side, really excited about this too. My little kneeling pad. I ended up cutting this piece here. This went all the way across like the other side, and I had no space inside my truck. And I'll show you on the inside of the actual bed. I think I'm going to get one of those sliding, it's called a slide bed, and a big tray will slide all the way out. But for the time being, got my nitrogen and my oxyacetylene. It fits perfectly. This piece is kind of just barely touching the top, so it keeps it from moving around, but even if it did, it doesn't have anywhere to go. So really awesome there. Got my recovery and vacuum machine, scale, and other tools. I need to kind of organize that, but really excited to utilize this as well. But I was really excited about those bins on the other side. Did some adjustment on these two so they close really nicely with one hand. This is kind of a mess at the moment, but I ended up picking this up. So it's got these big S hooks, or hooks, whatever you want to call them. I just self-tapped this in, and these are really cool. You can find them at Home Depot, and you can swap these out to different attachments, or if you want to put it in a different spot, and then you just latch it back in. Super solid. So I might get one for the other side, but what my plan is to get one of those bed slides. They're like $1,200 new, but I've seen them on KSL and Facebook for closer to $700. And this whole tray will slide out to like clear out to here, and they'll support like 1,200 pounds. So stay tuned for that. I'll probably pick that up because there's no good way to access something that's all the way in the front there. So that's my plan on that. And then I'll show you the inside here. So for all my install stuff, got my gauges there. So I'm all about just utilizing what you already got. I had like a couple Huskies and a couple Milwaukees, but Milwaukee bags from Black Friday, just buying tools and stuff. So I decided to utilize them instead of, wasting money unnecessarily. So this bag, I've got all my gas pipe fittings, my flex line, pipe dope, etc. All my PVC, glue, all those fittings and everything are in here. And then all my electrical, I've got some wiring, breakers, conduit fittings, all kinds of stuff in this for electrical. And then, so those fit nicely back there. I still have some room here, but I've got 22 in my recovery machine. My friend had to borrow my 410, so I'll probably leave it up there in the box. And fingers crossed that nobody busts a window, because that tank is worth like $1,000 by itself. But anyways, sorry, I'm sucking on some hard candy. Got a sore throat. Has not been fun. So this all fits quite nicely right behind the seat here. And I don't use this as often as all the stuff that's in the back here for like service work. So it's nice. It's just contained and easy to access when I need it. Got my 12-foot fiberglass ladder up there. So yeah, that's about it. Done quite a bit of work on getting everything organized, but pretty soon I'm going to be picking up some new wheels and tires. These ones are kind of a little bit dry rotted. And then I'm going to be painting the hood and doing a little bit of work because it's got a bunch of chips on it. Or if I can find a new one, I might do that. But it's been a good truck so far. Thanks again, Dad. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next upgrades on the little Tacoma. Any ideas on what I should name it? Leave it in the comments. Later.